Welcome back. So SolidWorks 2024 sketch picture bug. We see over here a comment from Caleb Sleven. So let's take a look over here. He also noticed the same problem, and we see over here that even though the picture is locked within that sketch reference, the very next sketch that he will make on the same plane, as soon as any dimensions are added, that will be scaled automatically. So we see over here that this can be solved by saving the file before attempting the second sketch. So not a real solution, but I guess this is a fix. So let me also test that because I haven't. So I'm going to go within a top view and I'm going to create a new sketch. I want to use a sketch picture, and from my desktop I added the following top view. Now we see over here that we have the reference. I'm going to make use of one of that dimension directly within this. So again, we still have that weirdly bug where I cannot really select that. So I need to move the mouse quite slowly, but we see that I managed to find that. So we know that this will be 161 millimeters. I'm going to click OK. We have that dimension. So we have this locked. Let's say that I also want to center this. So maybe I want to center it over there in the middle. And I'm going to click OK. So we have now that fixed. If I will go within the same sketch, so I'm currently within that, and I want to add a dimension. Let's see. Maybe I want to see this dimension, if it will be 100. It should be. As you can see, this will be close to 100. So the image is properly scaled, and if I will input this, the image will not jump. If I will delete this annotation, that sketch and the line, let's say that I want to trace something, maybe I want to trace this, that will have around 30 millimeters, and that should remain as 30 millimeters. So as you can see in my case, this will not scale the image. I usually prefer not to add sketches directly within the same sketch where I added that reference image, and that is something that I usually do. I usually prefer to leave that sketch. I will entitle this, for example, reference top, and I will just go within the same plane and I will create a new sketch and I will trace everything over here. We see over here that the new default top plane will be like this. So keep in mind that this is just a visual representation, but we saw that it also incorporates over here onto the left, onto the right some elements. And now we can go ahead and we can trace that, we can sketch it, and everything should still remain in order. Now, it's highly important that before you're going to do some tracing, you will properly align those references. And I have multiple videos regarding this, and I also will prepare some more videos regarding SolidWorks using images as references and sketching various products. Okay, so I hope that you can fix those problems with the sketch picture. We saw it in the comment that usually if you're going to save it and you're going to load it again, it will not have that scaling bug. But for this initial sketch picture, just like within this video, we saw that that initial bug still persists over there. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I'm going to position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.